The Canadian prairies have always been known for big farming, and where you find big farming, you find big innovation. Neeralta manufacturing has been part of the Canadian prairies for 40 years. The grain farming culture of Northern Alberta is our heritage and our future. We've built a reputation on quality and innovation in the grain handling world, and our equipment is tested in the same fields where it's used. At Neeralta, we know that the value of grain bagging lies in the speed, efficiency, and cost savings of storing your crop on the same field you harvested. The sealed bags prevent spoilage and pests from ruining your hard work. When it comes to grain baggers and extractors, Neeralta's equipment stands out from the pack. Built to be easy to use and efficient, the Neeralta grain bagger has a telescopic swing auger. Our design allows farmers to operate the bagger by themselves without moving the truck when emptying a full semi-trailer. For those farmers who use a 12-foot diameter grain bag, Neeralta's grain bagger has an expanding tunnel that allows for easy setup of the grain bag as well as safe travel on public roads. The Neralta grain bag extractor is where Canadian innovation shines. Our patented grain bag unloader cleans up the plastic while it collects the grain, saving valuable time and making cleanup as environmentally friendly as dropping a ready-to-recycle bag into the back of your truck. The Neralta extractor is also designed for speed and efficiency and can be operated by one person with a remote control. The Neralta guarantee is quality and efficiency, and we stand behind our products. If you're interested in grain bagging, we would love to introduce you to our top-of-the-line equipment. Learn more about our products at www.neralta.com.